Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll solve this problem based on the concepts of arithmetic series. So in this problem, we have to calculate the sum of first 10 terms of this arithmetic series. So in this series, the first term is negative 103, the second term is negative 110, and the third term is negative 117. So the first step to find the sum of the first 10 terms is to write the formula for the sum of n terms in an arithmetic series. So the formula is S of n equals n over 2 and then parentheses, so 2a plus n minus 1 in the parentheses times d. So in this formula, the S of n represents the sum of n terms of an arithmetic series. N is the first n terms in the arithmetic series. A is the first term in the arithmetic series. And D represents the common difference for the arithmetic series. So we should start by listing the values of the variables that appear in this formula for this arithmetic series. So the first is n variable. So n represents the number of terms being added. So in this case we are adding 10 terms, so n is equal to 10. Now the next variable is a. A is the first term in the arithmetic series, and in this case it's negative 103. And d represents the common difference. And the common difference is calculated by subtracting the first term from the second term or the second term from the third term. So if we use the first and the second term, the common difference is negative 110 minus negative 103. So if we have to simplify this, so it becomes negative 110 plus 103 because the two negative signs convert into a positive sign. And then when we combine these numbers, we get negative 7. Now we can get the same answer if we use the second and the third terms. So if we use those values, then it will be negative 117, which is the third term, minus the second term, which is negative 110. So if we evaluate this expression, we'll get negative 7. So the value of d will be the same either way. So these are the values we have to sub in into this sum formula. So we have to calculate the sum of 10 terms. So n is 10. So S of 10 equals then 10 over 2 and then brackets 2 times a, which is negative 103, plus then parentheses 10 minus 1 times the common difference, which is negative 7. And then we close the brackets. So this is the expression we have to evaluate to find the sum of the 10 terms. So we can do this calculation in steps. So the first step is to divide 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Now in the brackets, we can first multiply 2 and negative 103, which is equal to negative 206. And now we can do 10 minus 1 in the parentheses, which is 9 times negative 7. Now in the next step, we can simplify the terms in the brackets. So 5. So first we can multiply 9 times negative 7. So negative 206 minus 63. So 9 times negative 7 is equal to negative 63. Now we can subtract these two numbers. So negative 206 minus 63 is equal to minus 269. So I get S of 10 is equal to minus 1345. So this is the sum of the first 10 terms of this given arithmetic series. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.